Okay, so now that we have a basic understanding of infectious diseases, how can we explain that, in spite of modern-day technology, we are still faced with newly emerging outbreaks? First, there are factors related to microorganisms. Microorganisms have a tremendous capacity to quickly adapt to new environments. For example, viruses have the ability to multiply at an extremely rapid rate. They can produce a new generation every 20 seconds. To compare, for humans, this takes 20 years. Every time a microorganism multiplies, it can change. These changes could enable it to replicate more efficiently or to adapt to new hosts and new environments. This is also the process that can lead to resistance to antibiotics. Secondly, there are also external factors, for example, the environment, human behavior. In modern society, many forms of human activity create new environments and actively promote contact with new microorganisms. For example, many markets, farms, ranches bring different animal species together. This interspecies contact increases the likelihood that viruses found in one animal can jump to another animal species, including humans. When a disease evolves to become transmissible between humans, its reach can also exponentially increase. As a result, such an outbreak may be limited to one country, but it may also extend to several continents. An outbreak affecting several continents is also known as a pandemic. One of the most important factors for emergence and spread of new diseases in new areas is our ability to travel large distances at great speed, for example by airplane. This not only includes the transport of humans, but also the transport of food and animals. As a consequence, infectious diseases can now easily spread to the other side of the world in a matter of days or even hours. This means that for infectious diseases, the world is really becoming a global village. Calling a microorganism exotic is an outdated term, as we now exchange all microorganisms all over the globe, and they can literally pop up anywhere, anytime. To prevent the spread of a newly introduced and dangerous microorganism, fast action is therefore required. This starts with recognizing unusual situations and cases which need to be reported and investigated immediately. This is of the utmost importance to control an outbreak. In the next video, we will take a closer look at some of the ways in which we can minimize the risk of outbreaks.